Hello friends, this question is the second part of the common data question which we have earlier discussed from the subject of networks, and topic is two-port network. So we have the same T network, and this time we need to calculate the Y parameter. So if I need to find out the Y parameter for this network, so my original approach was the same as I have applied for the Z parameter. I should have also applied the KVL here, and this time I will arrange the equation as per the characteristic equation of the y parameter, or the equation of the y parameters. But in this case we have an advantage: we already have the z parameters. It's the second part of the common data question. We already have a z parameter as 6336. So I will find out the y parameters with the help of z parameters, or I will convert my z parameter in the y parameter. So I can use this equation 6336 times I1 I2 is equal to my V1 V2. This is equation for z parameters. So if I may find out my delta here, it will be 6 into 6 minus 3 into 3. Determinant of this matrix, which is 27. So now if I calculate my I1, which will be V1 V2 times 3 by 6 upon delta, which is 6V1 by 27 minus 3V2 by 27, which is 2 by 9 V1 minus 1 by 9 V2 is my I1. This is my first equation for by parameter. You can find the same equation by applying KVL in the two loops, and then rearrange this equation of V1 V2 of V1 is equal to I1 plus I2 and V2 is equal to I1 plus I2 to the form of I1 V1 and V2 by eliminating other variables. But this time, because we already have a z parameter, we already calculated the z parameter for the previous stage. So by our previous knowledge, we just using this thing to simplify the calculation, like to apply the trick. I'm just converting the z parameters into y parameters. Similarly, my I2 is 63 V1 V2 by delta, which is 6 by V2 by 27 by 3V1 by 27. So this is again the second equation for my y parameter, because my y parameter, my characteristic equations are I1 is equal to y11 times v1 plus y12 times v2, and I2 is equal to y21 times v1 plus y22 times v2. Now if I compare these two equations from above these two equations, then I can get my values of my y11 as 2 by 9, y12 as minus 1 by 9, 2 by 9, sorry, okay, 2 by 9, y21 as minus 1 by 9, and y22 as 2 by 9. My matrix of my y parameter will be 2 by 9, minus 1 by 9, minus 1 by 9, and 2 by 9. So correct option is, if I will compare my answer with the options, my correct option is option B. So option B is the correct option for this part of the common data question. Thank you.